Hey there YouTube, we got a Craftsman LT1000. Really, I'm not talking about its price, but it was cheap. We're gonna see if it starts. I haven't ever started it yet. It's got a battery charger on it, so maybe that's why. The choke, it's about half, I don't really care. Maybe that's got something to do with why the charger's on it. It's dead. Okay. That one don't start. I'll see if this one will. Ugh. Choke's already out. I'm not gonna sit there. There's water. Turn the key. What the hell? This one don't make a sound. And no, the seat thing isn't hooked up, so that's not the reason. We'll go in the shop and all. It's been a while since I made a shop video. I gotta shut the air compressor off. Yeah. Cripes. You know, from Dumb and Dumber, when he loses his wallet in the paper dispenser thingy. It says cripes. Not a whole lot to see. Package. Same as before. English stuff. Yeah, I don't know, this boat motor runs. Well, sorta. I'll try and start it for you. I ain't gonna run it too long because it's a 2-stroke. This will wash all the lube off the cylinder and then it will seize up. So I'm just gonna run it a little bit. There's still some 2-stroke oil in it because I poured some into it, and so I'm not worried it's gonna break it. It's already low on compression when we got it, but anyway. Shop, you know, typical. Not a whole lot new, I guess. There's a CB radios, something like that. Battery chargers charging. Yeah, I haven't made a whole lot of videos this summer. I've only got like 200 and maybe 8 or something like that videos. And I hit 200 videos like over a month and a half ago. Hit 200 videos a long time ago. But yeah, I don't know. Ain't got a whole lot of time. I like how YouTube made the video length limit 15 minutes. They must have got a lot of complaints or something. I wonder if this thing here would crank over. It only runs on 1 cylinder. Barely. It cranks though. There's a gouge the size, well, in order earthworm could probably crawl through it. And inside of the cylinder wall on one of the cylinders because a guy welded the exhaust and a piece of slag fell in the motor and wrecked it. And there's a lot of stuff. I haven't made a whole lot of videos. Sorry the quality ain't too good. That mower there does run. Maybe I'll start that for you. Destroyed engine. Yeah. It ran good too. My sister ran it over, but alright, let's see what happens here. No throttle anyways. That one runs really good. It's an 18 horsepower twin coiler Magnum with a something, a new battery anyway. Yeah, if it was a side shaft it'd be better, but it's a down shaft, so vertical shaft kind of sucks, but oh well. But alright, YouTube, I suppose I will talk to you later. I'll make some more videos soon. I'm trying to get an F-150 from a neighbor, but I don't have any transportation over there. I don't got a car. He was using something, but anyways, that's out of gas now, and I'm not talking about it, but besides the point, so I can't really, well, that's where I work, and I can't really go to work if I don't got a car to get there. And okay, I'm not going to walk, so it's only a mile, but I'm still not going to walk. I sold the moped, so anyway, see you, YouTube.